Aloha! Hi, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. This is Adele Brienne, week 3 in my series. Today we're talking about vulnerability, and this week's topic is all about showing up. Just show up. Show up messy, show up injured, just show up, okay? So here's the deal. Social media is overwhelming and loud and distracting. There's a whole bunch of different platforms. Each one's a little bit different. Um, it is a lot, right? And so here's the deal. Rather than worrying about all the different strategies and all the things you need to do, what I want to encourage you to do is just start simple, start messy, just start. Start taking action, start showing up in your business, start showing up on maybe one social media platform, which could include Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. These are kind of the main ones that I see businesses using to market and reach clients. Doesn't matter which one, just pick one and just start showing up. Showing up just like I am. Show up messy, just show up. I will be straight up with you. I recorded this video 2 days ago and I did it on the wrong topic. How messy is that? So now it's Thursday morning and I want to release the video. So I'm filming today, Thursday morning. You're going to be watching this Friday or later. I release it on Friday. But basically I'm refilming because I did the totally wrong topic. And then as I was filming, my dog started barking. My partner came in and my dog went crazy, and so I had to stop filming. I was frustrated and irritated that I had to stop the video. But turns out I filmed the wrong topic anyway, right? How messy is that? Then after that happened, I got attacked by a dog in my neighborhood. Crazy big dog attacked me. I scooped my dog up, rescued my dog. The dog was, I guess, coming after my dog. And I ended up having to get a tetanus shot and bandaged up, and I have some puncture wounds. I'm totally okay. It's going to be okay. It's a little scary. I can't type easily today. I can't do my jobs easily today or serve my clients very well today, so I guess I'm going to take a unofficial day off. But what I want you to know is that I'm vulnerable right now. It's not easy for me to refilm this video. It's not easy for me to have just put on a little bit of lip gloss and I put on a little bit of jewelry and I put on the dress, and I'm in a little bit of pain. I'm embarrassed. I'm not embarrassed, but I guess a little just sort of in shock. I've never been attacked by a dog before. But I'm actually really grateful that I'm okay. I didn't need stitches. My dog is okay. My partner was in the hospital recently and he's now, recovering, and he's alive, and we're all alive. I'm counting my gratitude and my blessings. So, hey, you know what? It's okay if your life is messy and going to shit and you're also running a business and doing marketing. My life has been messy and difficult and emotional, and I don't always regulate my emotions well, and things are often very far from perfect. Things are even often very far from the intention we set for our business or our day or this moment. And yet, we're resilient. Be kind to yourself, forgive others, and ultimately just start practicing being vulnerable on the small levels. Be vulnerable with yourself, be vulnerable with your other relationships. If you have clients you're working with, start practicing being more honest and authentic and transparent and vulnerable with them. Set boundaries. It's actually vulnerable to set boundaries and do self-care and take care of yourself. That's not that, that's part of the realm of vulnerability. So I just want to encourage you, whatever's going on with you in your life, take this little message from me to start showing up, show up messy, pick one social media platform. If you're not sure which one, let's have a quick consult. I can help you out. The only one I really haven't dabbled with so far is TikTok, and I might get there eventually, because if you know me, you also know that I'm a character actress, and I have a billion costumes, and I love dressing up and wigs and things. So it seems like TikTok could be a natural place for me. I'm also 40 now, and I don't want to spend my time doing all the things, and so that's probably why I haven't ended up on TikTok yet, even though it's probably really fun. So anyway, just a little, maybe seeds planted for the future. We'll see. I might never get there. Doesn't really matter. I'm showing up messy, I'm showing up injured. Got attacked by a dog yesterday, and I'm still here. Yes, thanks for tuning in. And next week, I'm going to talk to you about something exciting. All right, I'll see you then. Aloha. Have a beautiful weekend.